Lovely people, I came to realize that it is not only via selling of products online that you can earn income. Irrespective of the profession you are into, you can earn. Now look at these different professions. Are you into agriculture, or you are into food and nutrition, or maybe you are into lifestyle, or you are into fashion, or maybe your own is entertainment. You are into entertainment, or you are into religion. Okay, maybe your own is maybe you are into fitness and wellness, or industrial. You are in the industrial sector. You are into leather production, or into shoemaking, maybe a cobbler, you produce shoes or bags, or maybe your own is into tourism, you are a tourist, or hospitality, or maybe you are an educationist, or even an academician. You are into farming and poultry, or electronics or electrical gadgets. You are into petrol and chemical area or sector, or maybe you are in a political sector. You are a politician or whatever. You are into finance. You are into finance, or maybe you are into forex. You are a medical person. You are a medical person, or a pharmaceutical manufacturing of drugs and all that. Irrespective of the profession you belong to, you need to learn different platforms with your wealth of experience that can help improve your lifestyle and make you a better person, live a better life. And that is why I come here to talk about different things. Now, look at it this way. Maybe you studied English language in the higher institution, and let's say maybe English or chemistry, or maybe you even study mathematics, irrespective of the subject or profession you study or you are into. And let me tell you something. Some people, they study education and they are bent on becoming a teacher, or they want to teach or go into teaching profession to earn a living. Do you know that you can showcase your skill, you can showcase your knowledge, you can showcase your expertise, your area of specialty or specialization in different area is not only in one aspect. That is why, if you enjoy what I'm talking about, please subscribe to my channel, subscribe, comment, like, share my videos, and press the notification bell for the latest uploads. Remember, subscribe to enhance my channel growth. Now, so there are a lot of things you can do, even if you study education in the higher institution. A lot of things you can do. It's not only by you going into teaching profession. It's not only going into teaching that you can earn income or a living for yourself. Now, there are different things, things you can do, channels or diversification you can go into, even with what you study in the higher institution. Now, take for instance, you study English. Here are a few of what you can do and earn a living for yourself via what you study in the higher institution, that is English language. Now, though the list is endless of what you can do, is numerous, a lot of things you can do. Now, you can be an author. Yes, when you study English, you can be an author. You can write novels, you can write educational materials, and a lot of things you can do to earn a living for yourself. And people who need what you are giving them will patronize you, and you earn. Yes, you can have a printing press where you publish books, and other authors too can come and publish in your printing press, and you earn a living for yourself. You can even start a YouTube channel and discuss about everything educational in learning English. You can see the list is endless. The channels through which you can make income through what you study in that institution is numerous and is huge. So this applies to other subjects too. Maybe you study physics, or you study chemistry, or you study whatever, biology, whatever course you study in the institution. You can channel that skill you acquired into different forms, and they